Hi, Lindsay here with Stackable Sensations, where we create unique brand recognition. October is coming up, and we all know that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So today we're going to be sharing with you some of our top picks for promotional items, whether you are hosting a big fundraising event like a 5K or a walk, or you just want to provide things for your employees, clients. Here are our top picks for 2021. First up are early detection kits. These are great for education, whether you're educating employees or clients. Number 2 is our self-protection kit. This is great. It comes with hand sanitizer, Kleenex, and bags that people can just pop in here and there, things that people are actually going to use in their day-to-day life. And then another great one is our pink sanitizer and mask kit. This is huge for 2021. We're still trying to protect ourselves from COVID-19. So you get hand sanitizer and a branded mask, all about breast cancer awareness. And our personal favorite are these multi-use decals. You can use them to promote your walk or run event, but what's really cool is after you're done using them on a window or on plexiglass, you can actually reuse them. They are multi-use. So here's one of my favorite examples. People love to put stickers on water bottles. You can use it like that. They'll be able to peel it off and re-stick it. As always, Stackable Sensations is here for you, whatever your promo needs are for the upcoming month. Whether you're looking for something in this video or you have something customized to you, be sure to contact our sales team today.